Starting off with quite a bit of rain as we take a live look from our tower camera, 27th and Douglas. You can see the raindrops falling and landing even on the camera right now. Temperatures starting up in the 40s. We're only going to warm a couple degrees today. And that is in part to these strong winds, the rain, of course, the cloud cover. Winds sustained now out of the east, 29 miles an hour. We're going to watch those between 20 to 30 miles an hour today, gusts possible up to 55 miles an hour. Everyone looking for rain this morning, but don't have a false sense of security, I should say. Roads could still be a little bit slick due to oil buildup. That's why we've seen a few crashes. Now, wind gusts still looking strong. Those will really peak as we head into about noon and early afternoon is what I'm seeing on the models. We remain the entire region here in this beige color under a wind advisory 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. today. Again, gusts possible up to 55 miles an hour, which could create isolated power outages and some downed limbs. So make sure your trash can secured, all loose objects secured. Satellite and radar over the last couple of hours still bringing that steady rain, heavy at times. Let's switch to dual pole super Doppler. Seeing our heaviest rain now out toward Hooper, Fremont, Wahoo, Ceresco, Bellevue. Maybe on some light showers, but that shouldn't last too long. That'll pick up here before too long. A storm predictor showing the rain steady throughout the day today. By noon, starting to see a little bit of snow off to the west. That's going to hold off for us, though, until overnight. 6 p.m. still looking wet today. Again, washout. Plenty of strong winds as well. As we head into your overnight hours, we will start to see that chance for snow drop. It does stay north of the I-80 corridor, does not last too long. And in fact, our snow totals not looking too impressive. So Monday morning's commute isn't too bad. About 1 to 2 inches up toward Norfolk, Tacoma, Carroll, maybe a little bit of slush, Columbus, Omaha, Atlantic, Creston. Heading into the week ahead, another chance for some showers, rain and snow. Yeah, snow again possible as we head into St. Patrick's Day Wednesday, but silver lining, this time next week, temperatures look to bounce back to the 50s and 60s.